we are here again. Welcome back to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. This is your girl Stacy-Lee back in the kitchen. Today we'll be doing some brown stew fish and sweet potato with some pasta. So that's the brown stew fish, sweet potato, baked sweet potato, and pasta. Right, so let's get straight into it. So we're not going to season our fish. So the fish is already clean, so we're going to get the seasoning on it. So in here we have the Italian seasoning, the good old Goya, and this is some garlic salt. So the fish is already clean, already prepared. So we're just going to add the seasoning to it. So this is some parrot fish. So you just open up your fish and you season the fish. Don't be afraid to rub the seasoning inside the fish. Rub the seasoning. Okay, let's season the fish, rub it in. This is what gives the fish that taste, okay? Let's open up the fish and rub it in like that. So this is the sweet potato, so we slice it. So we're not going to put the sweet potato in the oven. So just put it in the file paper. And you wrap the potato in. So this is the oven baked potato. So this is like a medium sized potato. So this should take roughly like 25 to 30 minutes to cook. Oven was already preheat, so we're now just going to add the potato. All right, so we're going to give that about 30 minutes. So we already have the oil preheat, so the oil is hot. We're now going to add the fish. So we're going to allow the fish to fry. The fish is now finished frying, so we're just going to take the fish out. Okay. So look at that, well fried. So we're just going to take them out. So we're we're gonna pour off this excess oil. We don't want so much oil to cook the fish down, so we're gonna get rid of that excess oil.
We don't want no.
So we're just gonna allow the vegetable to saute a little bit, and then we add our other ingredients to it. So just give this some stir and just allow it to saute a little bit. Alright, so we're just gonna add some seasoning, just a little seasoning for taste to the vegetable here. So this is the Italian seasoning. We're gonna add it to it. Alright, add some Goya to it. And this is the browning, so this is what's going to give the color to the fish. Just add a little to it, about a tablespoon. Alright, and you stir this in. So this is some glazed coconut milk that we're going to add to it. This is some water, just add some water to it. This is our carrot, and we're going to add the carrot to it. I'm just going to allow this to cook a little. So the carrot you're adding to it, you don't want it to cook out too much. So you're just going to give this like a minute or two. Add the fish to the pot. Add the fish too. And you put this on medium heat so it cooks slowly. So this is some okra. Now we're going to add the okra to the pot. So just put the okra in like that. Just allow it to cook with the fish. Broccoli that we're adding to it. We're adding some broccoli to it. Okay guys, this is the end product of the brown stew fish with oven roast potato and some vegetable. We said we were going to do some pasta, but we didn't bother with the pasta.
Didn't bother the tops though.
Yeah, we didn't bother with the pasta. So tell me what you think about this brown stew fish.
The brown stew fish.
Remember to share, like, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes, ma'am, subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
Thank you.